Hi everyone, and welcome back to another one of my unboxing videos. This will be one of the long series that I'm about to make about the watches that I bought, because like I said in a previous video in my Invicta, I went down the rabbit hole bad. So I literally just got home from the truck. As you see, I'm not that presentable right now. I didn't even take a shower, I just got home. And this was waiting for me. Oh, I am so excited for this thing. I mean, look at it. So you get the regular, come from China box, but in the box you have this. Look at it. Hexagon Storm. This is a watch I got from AliExpress and I love it. Now, look at this box. Oh boy. So it opens up, you have some bubble wrap in here, you have really good foam protection. I mean, this thing looks like a little gun safe. A really nice packaging here. Hexagon Storm, Hexagon Storm. You have some it's a warranty card. Okay, that's good. So that's my warranty. You have some pull out first gear. Okay, so you have also Asian writing and English, which is good for me, that they will teach me how to use this clock. This is what is going to be inside. So you have a nice little microfiber cloth to do the watch, and oh, look at that. So we have the watch. I'll be back to this in a moment, but what I was not expecting is that I also got a spare leather wrist strap. Wow, this I was really not expecting. Very nice touch. Very nice touch. You have this little tool to take out the telescopes at the end, and you have the link removal tool. I had a few of these, and this one actually good quality. You have several tips of several diameters. And now let's get to, okay, nothing else. So there's a cutout foam with everything inside, and this. I'm so excited. So, okay, you have a whole bunch of protective film on it that you need to take off. You have the quality control sticker, but I mean, look at this thing. Just look at it. When you have something like this on your wrist, you will sure have a few people looking at you and say, "Ooh, that's an interesting watch," because it is. It's a mechanical self-winding watch. It's stainless steel completely. No sticker on the back. Okay, you have a whole bunch of print here. I don't know if it's visible on the camera. I would have kind of preferred a clasp here instead of this button mechanism, but I guess this is good as well. And you can also get this with a wrist wrap that's metallic like this one, and it has interlocking links instead of these parallel things. But I already had a few of those bracelets, so I decided to take this one. So I can't wait to start using it. I will be using it in my in my home time. I'm not gonna be taking it on the truck because I don't want to put scratches and damage this thing. But I'll be taking a shower and a shave, and this puppy here goes on my wrist right away. I mean, just look at it. This thing is phenomenal. It's a little thick for what I'm used to, but you have these 3 little screws here on top that keeps the screen in. The 2 golden, well, actually 3. There's the hour, the minutes, and the sweeping seconds. It clicks. It doesn't go smoothly. It clicks for the second thingy that shows you the seconds. And I'm not sure, but yeah, does it have it or not? I'm trying to see if it has a protective film or not. There's a little blue splotch here on the winding knob. Yeah, apparently it's I know it's paint, and I just took it off. Well, I don't want it there anyway. I think they wanted to get the blue paint into the grooves, but it didn't work that way. That's okay, it comes off very easily. I just scraped it off with my incredibly long nails that I can't wait to cut them off after I shower. So yeah, that's about it. That's about everything I have to show you about the unboxing of the Hexagon Storm. I will be putting out a few videos about my other watches, why I bought them and why I like them, and I hope to see you on those ones. Well, I hope you'll see me on those ones. Once again, thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to keep the internet alive, and see me on the next one. Bye bye.